Welcome to Coronado, an exceptional community located in one of the most beautiful settings in the world, in Los Cabos, Mexico. Live in a community where elegance, serenity, and service are key elements, offering privacy and exclusivity. Enjoy breathtaking beauty and the promise of a simple yet sophisticated lifestyle, with access to a plethora of recreational facilities and world-class amenities. Own a piece of paradise in a place where well-being is central to the lifestyle, combining social, environmental, and emotional aspects for a unique way of life. Become part of the exclusive Coronado community of only 64 lots, where owners can choose the views even before choosing the house model. Enjoy world-class amenities such as the Quivira Golf Club, one of the most requested golf experiences in an internationally recognized course, and access to the Quivira Beach Club,